Hello and welcome to Everyday English Kit. Listen carefully, try to understand the main ideas, and answer the questions at the end. Stop the video and copy the questions or their numbers.
Hello and welcome. Today we will learn English by talking about a very special Australian animal. This animal is famous all over the world. It is the kangaroo. Kangaroos are marsupials. This means the mother kangaroo has a special pouch on her stomach. A baby kangaroo, called a joey, is very, very small when it is born. It is only the size of a jellybean. The tiny joey climbs into its mother's warm pouch. It lives and drinks milk there for many months. When it is bigger, it will jump out to see the world. Kangaroos are famous for jumping. They have very strong back legs and big feet. They use their strong tail to help them balance. A big kangaroo can jump very far and very fast. They can travel across the big, open land of Australia, which we call the outback.
What do kangaroos eat? They are herbivores. They only eat plants. They like to eat grass, leaves, and sometimes roots. They often eat in the cooler morning and evening. During the hot day, they like to rest in the shade. Kangaroos live in groups. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. A mob can have 10 kangaroos, or sometimes 50. Living in a mob helps keep them safe from dangers. The male kangaroo is called a buck. He is bigger and stronger. The female is called a doe. You can often see a doe with a joey in her pouch. Sometimes, the joey's head or legs stick out of the pouch. It is a very cute sight. In Australia, the kangaroo is a national symbol. You can see it on the Australian coat of arms, on coins, and on the airplane of the national airline, Qantas. Australians love their kangaroos, so kangaroos are amazing animals. They are special to Australia. They are strong jumpers, caring mothers, and live in friendly mobs. Next time you see a picture of Australia, look for the kangaroo.
Thank you for watching this listening practice video. Leave the answers in comments below. See you in the next video.